This tutorial will explain how to create a t-shirt or ball toss illusion using iMovie. First, you want to go into your camera and take your video footage. Take footage of tossing your ball and catching a stuffed animal, or likewise take footage of yourself in one shirt and then put on a second shirt and act surprised that you're wearing the second shirt. Once you finish your video footage, it will save into your camera roll. And once it's in your camera roll, you're able to edit it in iMovie. So you'll open up your iMovie app and select the plus sign. From there, click on Movie, and then you want to add in the video footage that you just finished filming. Click Create Movie at the bottom of the screen, and it takes that video footage to the bottom of your screen. Here's footage that I took to show the illusion of a wardrobe change. The shirt is magically going to appear on. I simply find in the middle of my video footage where I want to split the clip, and then I highlight the clip in yellow that I want to trim, and I drag it down to where the shirt is on me, making it look like it miraculously appeared on my body and I'm in shock. My acting will help to sell the illusion a little bit as well. Once I have it trimmed, I'll make sure that the first clip is equally trimmed to right where I want it to be. And then when you play it together, it looks like when I lifted the shirt up to my shoulders, it popped on my body miraculously. And that is the illusion of the shirt change with just simple editing. After you're satisfied with your editing and pleased with the final product, you might want to go back and also add in audio. You would simply click on the audio button on the right side of the screen and select the music that you like. It'll add and enhance the feeling of the film for your audience viewers. So play with your trimming of the clip and then play with audio and selecting your music. Once you're complete, you're going to want to click Done, give your movie a title, and upload it to OutSchool. I can't wait to see what you create. In this next illusion project, I demonstrate how you could do a ball toss illusion. Simply take video footage of yourself tossing a ball in front of the camera, and then go ahead and put that ball down. The camera's still rolling. Toss a stuffed animal, and as you toss the stuffed animal, catch it and show the camera. You're going to take that video footage into iMovie, split the clip, and then trim the clips. Trim it so you're taking out the part where you put the ball down and grab the stuffed animal. Make it trim to the point where the ball is going up and the stuffed animal's coming down. And that's how you make the illusion of the ball toss. Of course, you'll want to trim the end of it as well, where you're getting up from the camera, and probably trim the beginning where you're coming in front of the camera. You'll also want to go to audio and add some background music to make it more enjoyable to view. And when you're finally done and satisfied with your project, you'll click on Done and give it a title. Please message me in OutSchool if you have any questions about this project. I hope this tutorial helps you in completing your illusion video clip.